with Kuya Jericho. Alright, Tristan, what celebration for today? Birthday girl. Delikado ating birthday celebrant.
May 13, 2015.
May 13, correct! Thank you so much! Canada, correct! Thank you so much! Yeah, go. Happy birthday po. Birthday girl Lloyd.
Taekwondo po.
Taekwondo. Wrong. Correct! Wow! Thank you so much. Alright, say mommy and daddy ka. Okay, tingin sa camera. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, this time, syempre may ilan na kami dessert para sa inyong lahat. Matagal na po muna ng battery. Baka masagi. Huwag kang desisyon, siyang pala. Alright, come here, mommy and daddy birthday girl. This time, ano yun? Palakpakan.
At saka always be the joy in our family.
May 30. Anyway, and success sa lahat. Happy birthday.
Oo, galing talaga nag-celebrate mga yan. Alright, sir.
Yeah, just we'll be here for you if you ever need anything. So, yeah. Mine, sister. Avery's hope that you enjoy your birthday and
Okay, isa. Parang ako lang. 2, 3, 4. 4 lang po ang kanyang daliri. Kanyang daliri. For the second wish mo, best friend, para kay birthday girl Noreen, ay lumaking matalino. Maabot ang pangarap at malayo ang mararating. Thank you so much. For the third wish mo, best friend, para kay birthday girl Noreen, ay lumaking maganda. Sexy. Flawless. Katulad ni Mami. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, yung landi mo, best friend. For the last wish mo, best friend, para kay birthday girl Loris, si birthday girl Loris ay lumaking. Always be happy like your best friend, Jolly Louise.